Hi, hi. Yeah, we're having another walk again. See what else they got for sale.
Okay. And then when it
Oh yeah. Any drinks?
Exactly. No squishies for me. I would look at that right now. Oh, by the way, I sent that to David. He replied, he said if I do like 7 Anyway.
POV when you're trying to sleep at an airsoft festival. Never gonna happen. Late night maintenance.
Late night maintenance. Get it fixed up. What is this? I don't want to go home.
Oh, it's back with that green laser again. Remember last year it had that green laser?
Oh yeah.
Early morning churros or what?
I don't know.
Get that energy up.
You're fine, look at mine, all fucking built up in there.
Hey, go sir, grab around a little bit, we're going to have to stand slow. I don't think many more of you are really going to be coming up
That's what I get mine on. We're splitting up, boys. We're splitting up. We're not keeping it. Want to stay together. Where's Chris? Behind us. Okay, where's behind us? I know that because we was literally just there. Where's Chris? Behind you. So where's Ben? He's there in front of you. He's singing.
It was me singing Drunken Sailor. It was an Assassin's Creed fan.
Where do we want to go?
Is that not where we've got a capture something up there?
I don't know if it's up there or down there, I don't know.
I don't know. Seems to be a lot going down there. That's the path that we'd have brought up, so that'll put us back on main track.
Oh, let's follow these then.
Just go up here.
Yeah, it was an owl or an eagle just flew through there.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, you most probably got that.
I'll have a look.
Can't go too far. We've got to be back for 12 o'clock.
Yeah. find our way back as well.
Yeah. We'll get lost.
Probably, I weren't looking though. Let's have a look, Pinger. Pinger.
What?
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the...
Oh, the contraband.
Yeah. Oh, we got the drugs.
Don't sniff it all at once.
How did they miss them?
I know. Perhaps they're just looking in the trees.
Yeah.
You got that one, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Should we cut through there?
Yeah, this is better. The traffic is a bit started now.
Yeah, I know. Gets a bit sneaky from here.
Maybe some of them fucking rock.
Whose safe zone's that? Or dead zone, whatever it is.
Can you do me a favour?
What?
Put that in my backpack. Or you can put it in. Put it in there, maybe.
That's where I've put mine.
Yeah? Yeah.
That's where I put mine.
That's easy then, isn't it?
Here we go. Is your safety off? Is yours, Pinger? Safety off. You don't want to stumble on someone and can't shoot them. Fucking hell. Oh, come on, set a fucking predator or something. Oh. Right, take it easy. Green.
There we are.
Get to the village, that'll be good. Oh shit.
What's what we're doing? What's that? That big fucking rock there.
Right.
Oh fuck it. Oh there it is, it's in front of your fingers.
What?
The path. Oh. That thing.
Right, he said head here then left.
Hold on. Left
Wait,
side.
keep
Who's
falling
that in
through.
that bush?
There's one of ours up there.
Yeah. There's movement to our left.
We want to get to the village.
Yeah, just be careful. There's a big shot. There's a guy there stood in open, I suspect he may well have been shot. Further over, don't forget we've got those Bravos that were coming across the road behind us. They went up and they went fucking left, so they could actually be behind us, to be honest. What we're doing, we're going that way. We're going forward and left.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be careful for you, it'll be a bit fucking hectic. Go on, killer.
shit. Guy down here, down here. Oh shit, is it?
Yeah, he's in behind. Two behind. One left. Oh no, he's fully bent it. He's sticking with his friend.
Right, still a few of them there. You see him?
Yep, he spotted us.
He spotted us.
Where we at?
I don't have eyes on. He's seen us, has he?
Huh?
Has he seen us? Whoa! That fucking skull!
Oh shit. Yeah, you don't get that, you know, that'll pick them up. Somebody directly down there.
Yeah, he's got orange down there.
That sounds like a job for this guy and these two.
Oh my god, there's loads down there.
Is there?
Yeah,
Where?
coming this way.
Oh shit!
There's some snipers. This way.
Yeah.
Where are they coming?
There's about 4 of them on this side.
Let's just wait. Let's just wait. He's seen him. He's seen him. Let this guy past. I know. Who's that? Let him. I can't see anyone from here. Were they walking straight towards us? Can't see them.
Yeah, they're literally from there to there, walking this way.
Right.
But because they're hitting these, they're facing that way.
Who's that?
Yeah,
That's
the
us.
further we go in there though, are we going with these two?
Yeah, let's move
We
on.
need to get
See, you can see the village to the left.
Where's
At the
that?
back.
Yeah, our guy over there has just been hit. See, they could have snipers in these fields. He's well hard to see.
I know. That's what I said. I don't know what to
Right, he's making a run. That's ours. Right, let's push on. Just keep your head down. Oh, fuck. Shit. How many? Oh, he's hit. He's hit. He's hit anyway. Pingu. Let's push up a little bit.
Loads in there, look. There's a camp thing.
Oh yeah.
Loads in there. Now there's 2.
There's 2 down there.
Yeah, so they're all our luck going in. Yeah, they're cooking around this.
So do we need to try and get to that camp? Yeah.
Right, there's the camp there.
Yeah. Do we need to get to that?
But it's covered in orange.
Yeah. Don't know.
Right, down there, right at the back in the corner of the tree.
Mm-hmm.
There's a couple of orange.
Oh yeah. That's orange, isn't it?
Yeah. It feels like no matter where you push now, you're going to be spotted.
Yeah. Loads getting took out up there.
Yeah.
Loads. That doesn't sound good. I see, yeah.
Oh, this one hit bottom of their thumb and right in the inside of the leg. Oh, yeah, man.
Come on, man. Come out. Come on. There's still two of them there. Fuck. How's he not going down?
Same guys as me.
Yeah. Can you not see him?
No, I can see his hand.
I must have hit him, surely. You must be able to hit him from there. He's literally just stood there. He's just there. You've got to be able to get him. Yeah, I know. He's there.
There's one in the bush there.
Got him.
Good.
Another one.
Another one.
Got it, he's down. There's two coming straight ahead. This side of this tree. He's right there. Whoa.
Down, sit down.
Oh shit, whoa. We need to move. Where's Finger? We need that suppression.
Exactly.
Oh, he's coming. Where's Finger? He's coming. They're getting close. Shit, we're just stuck on our own. Oh, fuck. Oh, hit. Ah, you swat. Yeah.